let me show you how you can try to speed up your Samsung Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus. So first of all, we are going to start from increasing the RAM memory. So first of all, we have to go into the settings and then open the device care. So it will be just right here. Now open the memory, and from this scroll down, click on the RAM Plus and then turn it on and go into the 8 gigs of the RAM. Now you are actually going to increase your RAM. So as default, you've got actually 8, but when you go for another 8, you will actually get the 16 gigs of the RAM on the S24 smartphone. And when you do this, just click restart and you will get it after your smartphone turns on. Next, when we are in this device care, we can also find another useful options. So from this, we got automatic optimization, and now it's actually highly recommended to turn it on and restart when needed. And right now your smartphone is going to be restarted, and it will actually give you like the best condition each time your smartphone is going to perform short maintenance to get the best function. So basically closing some background apps, cleaning memory and stuff like this. Next, you can also reduce the animations, so we can go into the accessibility. Now go into the vision, and from here scroll down and be sure that you turn on the reduce animation. And at the end, you can also turn on the 120 Hz of the display. So go into the display, open motion smoothness and get the adaptive one. Click apply, and that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.